Okay, this is for CAD 2. This is the intro video for you guys for the next few days. We did the Geneva cam recently, and when I was out for sub on the 29th of November, maybe it was the 30th? It was the 30th. Actually, don't know. Doesn't matter. You were asked to do two parts, the index and index plate. Right here is the instructions, or I'm sorry, basically the blueprints or the parts with all the dimensions, and a bill of materials on the front page. What I would recommend is do a file and save as to create the Geneva, the bushing, the washer, the flat hex nut we will skip, the cap screw we will skip, but then you'll need the shaft, and then you will not need the set screw. So I'm going to create all of those now, and then I'll show them, and you'll just create them by copying these. Where it says description, that's going to be your material. Part name will be part name, and then item number will be that GVC-00, and I match the item number here. So I'm doing that in SolidWorks. Where is SolidWorks? So on this one, file, properties, I already did this one in the other video. So I'm going to update this, but to get it to be done easy, I'm going to go look in my files and open up this Geneva Cam folder that I have created. You should create a Geneva Cam folder in your own drive as well. It's just helpful. But I'm going to take either GVC002 or 001 and copy it multiple times. So I'm going to mute the mic for a moment. You can just watch, see what I'm doing. You can do it this way, or in a different, or you can go actually inside the program, but I find this way much easier. So here's this. Okay, so I just sorted these, or renamed these GVC 3, 4, 5, and 8. And that matches with 3, which is the Geneva, 4, the bushing, 5, the washer, 8 is the shaft. Now I'll go in individually. Let's start with number 3. That's the Geneva. It is made of steel. And I'm just going to open them, go to File, Properties, and say this is part name changed to Geneva. It is made of steel, so I can say date is today, so this will change. And then to finish it up, I actually will remove anything in my feature tree because this is not the right part or the right sketch. So you can go through and do that. Just change the properties first for each file. So go do that now, and then you'll be ready to actually make the remaining files. So I'll pause the video here, and then I'll do that myself. Alright, so now you're going to see that what I've done is hit Window. After I went through and opened all of these, I just used a File Explorer window to highlight them all, open them all at once, and then I've actually deleted this at this point, but it hasn't updated yet because I have not saved, so I better go and do that. Anyway, what I've done is edited the custom properties in each of these. I'll move that to the side. So this one is number 5. If I went to File, Properties, you'll see what I've done. Just change part name to washer, change the date to reflect the day I'm working on it, and if the material had to change, I changed that as well. The only one that is not steel was the bushing. That was brass. So make sure that you've, in each number, deleted the view and sketch, and then you just use the delete key. Actually, I think I just showed that a moment ago. And yeah, so go backwards if you need to see it. So now each of these is ready to go. So each of these should be saved. So I'll click on each one, hit Control Save, and you'll see. You probably won't see this. Nope, doesn't work. Anyway, yeah. So number 5 just updated. That's kind of silly to have shown you that, but I did. After I do this, my next step is going to be starting with the Geneva cam, or the Geneva piece, number 3, and just starting to build. So from this point forward, I'm going to make a video for each part, and then we'll have a new video when it comes time for assembly, and another video will show how to do dimensions on a few of the parts, but not all. Alright, so pay attention to videos as you go throughout this week, and thank you.